All right, .NET developers, do you ever feel like you spend a lot of your day massaging data? It's not that you're bad at your job, you're just doing a job that a system should do instead. Every hour that you spend massaging bad data is an hour that you didn't spend building what actually matters. And the worst part, that data is going to be bad again tomorrow. Here's you already know this reminder for senior .NET developers. When I was building enterprise apps, I had a client sending us data that was wrong almost every single week. The same fields, same garbage. And every week we cleaned it up by hand. Finally, I stopped. I put a validation layer between us and the source. Anything it could fix automatically, it fixed. Anything ambiguous got flagged for a human. We went from hours of cleanup to minutes of review. The shift is simple. Stop being the fix, build the fix. So ask yourself one question. Where is the bad data coming from? If it's a client, then push back on them or put a gate in front of it. If it's internal, then fix the bug. If the data is messy enough, you can throw an AI agent at it these days. But let it handle the obvious stuff and route the hard calls to a human. You're a senior developer, you write programs, so go write one. You're not a spreadsheet, so stop massaging data and start building the thing that massages the data for you. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a developer that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.